ask me about the most important aspect of piano performance, I would say it's a mastering polyphonic layer. The more advanced pieces is, the more it requires precise control over multiple voices with the melody. For example, in Chopin's music, there are many polyphonic layers, like in ballad. Look at this. One, another one, another one, voice. And the greatest challenge is that in a single hand, you often have to lead two distinct melodies simultaneously. This is incredibly difficult to execute both physically and mentally. So I would say that mastering polyphonic layer is essential skills for every pianist. So how you can develop polyphonic control? Typically this means managing two or even three independent voices within one hand. A simple way to grasp this concept is to mentally divide your hand into separate parts. So for example, this part, one hand physically, for here I add different actions of my hand. Then again, different actions of my hand. Then again, one, different actions of my hand. One hand, different actions of my hand. Then look at this. One voice, another voice. One voice, another voice. Now it becomes third voice. Another voice. And also, another essential skill is practicing each voice separately, treating it as an individual melodical line before integrating them together. Look at this. This one. Then the same voice. And while when you are playing, you have to able to self-control, ear control, and the muscles control. All of these will allow you to manage multiple voices during your performance. This should become a habit, and I always ask my students to reflect on it. You should ask yourself in some questions, am I truly control each voice or not? And remember, mastering polyphonic layer is essential in piano performance. It adds meaning and color of your playing.